Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this look right here. First, we are going to start off by using the Eye of the Storm palette by Kylie Cosmetics. We're going to dip our brushes into the yellow shade and then apply it onto our crease. Going in with the Morphine Icy, we're going to be using the shade Stone Fox, and we're going to apply just a little bit under the yellow shade. Going in with the shade Rich Girl, we are going to apply it under the previous shade. Going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, we're going to use a flat brush to apply it onto the lid, and then we're going to use our fingers to blend it out. Using the shade Fooled Gold, we're going to apply it all over the lid. Back again with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, we are going to clean/sharpen the look up. Going in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, she's going to prime her face. After she's done applying the primer, I'm going to apply a foundation of her skin color. Going in with a damp beauty blender, I'm going to blend the foundation onto her face. Using the Hourglass CoverGirl Concealer, I'm going to conceal her face. back again with a beauty blender. I'm going to blend everything together. I'm going to be using the Model's Own loose powder to bake her face. After I let the powder set, I'm going to dust everything off. Now to go in with an angled brush and my MAC blush, I'm going to apply it onto her face. And of course, to go in with my favorite palette ever, the Morphe 8H, I'm going to use an angled brush to apply some bronzer onto her face. Going in with my Airspun loose powder, I'm going to carve her face up. And of course, to dust it off. I'm going to be using the Mario Badescu facial spray as a setting spray. Yo, this is my favorite part. I'm going to add the glow now, yo. This girl is going to be glowing, yo. Yo, look right there, look right there. Oh, that glow, yeah. Yo, sis is glowing, yeah. Sis is glowing, bro. Going in with a Dose palette by Juvia's Place, I'm going to dip my brush into the shade Tart, and then I'm going to apply the shade into the inner corner of her eyes, just to add some pop to the eyeshadow look, you know. Going in with the NYX glitter primer, I'm going to apply this base under her eyes. Okay, so I got this little glitter thingy from Michaels, but I mixed some glitters together and then I applied it onto the base, where I have already applied the NYX glitter primer, of course. Jeffree Star, huh? Okay guys, so this is the final look. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my video and stay tuned for more videos, of course.